Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add multiple pages to your WordPress website step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to build out your site with essential pages like About, Services, and Contact, so your visitors can smoothly navigate and find what they need. Whether you're building a portfolio, growing your business, or just starting your blogging journey, understanding this process is crucial for giving your site structure and professionalism. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, the standard way to add pages in WordPress is to create each one manually. This is reliable, straightforward, and gives you full control over the content and layout of every individual page. Think of it like putting together the rooms of a house. You're deciding what each space will be used for and decorating it to give the best impression. The process begins inside your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't already, log in with your username and password. You'll see your main dashboard screen. Now take a look over on the left-hand sidebar. This is your main navigation area where you manage everything on your site. Hover over or click on Pages and you'll see an option called Add New. Go ahead and click there. Now you'll be greeted by the WordPress block editor. At the very top, there's a field where you'll enter your page title. For example, if you're creating your About page, simply type in About. Below that, you'll see the main content area. This is where you build your page using blocks to add text, images, headings, or whatever else your page needs. If you've never used the block editor before, don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly. Each paragraph, image, or heading is its own block, which you can move up and down or customize with just a few clicks. This helps you arrange your content visually, a bit like dragging and dropping different items into a scrapbook. Take your time here, add some introductory text about you or your business, maybe throw in a photo or a logo, and don't forget details your readers might be looking for. When you're happy with how things look, let's move on. To make your page accessible to the world, look up in the right-hand corner for the big blue Publish button. When you click it, WordPress might double-check that you're ready to go live with this page. Just confirm, and that's it. Your new page is now published and publicly visible. This can feel like a big moment, so don't worry if you want to take a bit more time to review before hitting Publish. Now you'll probably want more than just one page on your site. Don't worry, this process is exactly the same for each new page you need. For example, when you're ready to add your services or contact page, just head back to Pages in the sidebar, choose Add New, and repeat the steps. If you realize you want to add even more pages later, you can always return and do so at any time. It's super flexible. Remember, building your website page by page gives you control and ensures every section serves a purpose. Over time, these pages become the foundation for your entire site, just like rooms make up a home. And if you ever need to update content, just click Edit on any page and make your changes. That's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share how your site building journey is going. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials on making your website even better. Thanks for watching and happy website building.